Hi, this is Mr. Munton. Today we're going to go over this question that says, Kyle spent $36 on books and pens. He spent $12 more on books than he did on pens. How much did he spend on books? Well, the first thing you should always do is write it out in words if you're able to. So I'm going to do that. We know that he bought books and pens, so books plus pens is going to equal our total that he spent, which is $36. Okay. Now we're going to translate that to algebra. So we know something's going to equal 36, so I can start with that. And now we just have to decide what variables to use and how to use them to represent books and pens. So he spent $12 more on books than he did on pens. So I'm going to start with a variable for pens and label that P. Okay? And then I know he spent $12 more on books than he did on pens. So books is the total is the amount of pens plus 12. So it would be P plus 12. And I'm going to bring down this addition because we're adding them all together. So pens is P, books is P plus 12. It's $12 more than that to equal your total of $36. Now it's just a matter of simplifying. Okay, so P plus 12 is going to be 2P plus 12 equals 36. And now we have a two-step equation. We're going to subtract both 12 from both sides. And of course you're going to get 2P here and 24 here. Okay, now I'm going to divide by 2 to both sides. And I get P equals 12. That's in dollars, right? Now, is that our answer? Well, actually, let's go back and look. P represented pens, right? So, I'm going to switch colors here. That $12 is how much he spent on pens. We know that, $12 on pens. We want to know how much did he spend on books. Okay, books was that number plus 12. So here it is. He spent $12 on pens. He spent 12 plus 12 on books. Because we have to go back to this, we can say that 12 plus 12 is $24 on books. Now, a good way to check it is just go back, okay, $24 on books, $12 on pens, spent a total of $36. He spent $12 more on books than he did on pens, yes, and that checks out. And that is your answer.